And the Gus puppies. Look at that guy. This guy's really great. He's so sweet. This is an Olive and Gunner puppy. Olive. Speaking of Olive. Olive. There's a Gus. These are two Gus boys. Gus boy. Hi, buddy. Say hi. Can you say hi to the camera?
Hello, say hi to yourself. Hi to myself.
That's okay, so this guy and his black-nosed brother here. Look at you. Okay, come down here. You're a clown. This is the Gus puppy, or the Gunner puppy. There was one Gunner puppy in the litter. Don't ask me why. It just is. My vet is a moron. No longer like that. So this is a Gus and Gussin. Gus. We got 3 Gus. And oh, look at the puppy. He's so pretty. 4 boys. Gunner, Gus, Gus, Gus.
Oh, that's a good. Oh, that's a good. Come here.
This guy's a nut. This guy is a nut. Look at his little face. So 2 totally different pedigrees. You can see it's quite clear. Hey guys. Oh my goodness, I'm totally being attacked. How are you? Daddy's got a treat. Come on. I got 1 treat left. Come on over. Have my treat.
Oh, that's good. That's good.
Be careful. There I am. Stop. Okay, that's too much. Too much. You're just a berserker, aren't you?
He's a berserker puppy.
This guy's pretty chill. Come here. Say hi to Dad. Oh, Dad's a good buddy.
That's a good.
What do you think? What do you think? So, well, I don't know. How about a treat? Because I do like my treats, no? Okay, I'll give it to you conventionally. No? Okay, I'm going to put it right here, see? Treats?
Treat? You want a treat? Yeah, I know you can smell it.
It's like I can smell something. Where is it? It's got to be here on the leg. Daddy put it over here. Really? You're so cute. You're kind of a cute puppy. The treat is here. See? Now what are you going to do? Where did it go?
Where is it? It's right there. It's right there.
It's further away than... What's up, bud?